In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to disable power-ups in Trello, step by step. If you've added a power-up to your board and no longer need it, or you want to simplify your workflow and remove extra features, this quick guide will walk you through the entire process. Power-ups are great for extending Trello's functionality, but sometimes less is more, especially if you're trying to keep your board clean and focused. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss the final confirmation step. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Trello tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Trello.com. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're inside Trello, you'll land on your main workspace area, where you can see all of your boards. This is the Boards page, and it displays every board you currently have access to. Next, click on the specific board where you want to disable the power-up. Make sure you select the correct board, especially if you manage multiple projects. Once you click on it, the board will open and you'll see your lists, cards, and any active power-ups associated with that board. Now, look toward the top area of the board interface and locate the Power-Ups option. Click on Power-Ups to open the Power-Ups panel. This section shows you all the power-ups currently enabled on this particular board. You'll also see options to add new ones, but for this tutorial, we're focusing on removing an existing one. In the Power-Ups list, find the specific power-up that you want to disable. Once you locate it, click on the Settings button next to that power-up. The Settings option allows you to manage configuration options, and it also gives you the ability to disable it completely. After clicking on Settings, you'll see the Disable option. Go ahead and click on Disable. At this point, Trello will usually ask you to confirm your action. This is important because disabling a power-up may remove certain features or data connections related to that integration. Finally, click on Disable Power-Up to confirm. Once you do this, the power-up will be removed from your board. You'll notice that any extra buttons, fields, or integrations related to that power-up will no longer appear on your cards or board view. And that's it. The power-up has been successfully disabled. Keep in mind, disabling a power-up does not delete your board. It simply removes the additional functionality that was added through that integration. If you ever need it again in the future, you can always return to the Power-Up section and re-enable it. Disabling unused power-ups is a great way to keep your Trello board organized, improve performance, and reduce distractions for your team. It's especially helpful if you're working in a collaborative environment and want to keep workflows streamlined. That's how you disable power-ups in Trello quickly and easily. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Trello tips, productivity tutorials, and step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.